The Baloch Liberation Army mounted multiple and coordinated attacks across the restive Balochistan province in Pakistan. The attacks timed with the 18th anniversary of the assassination of Baloch leader Nawab Akbar Khan Bukti has so far resulted in over 100 military and civilian casualties in close to a dozen attacks across the largest province in Pakistan.
अब हमारे यहाँ वहाँ पे जो पहाड़ों में जो लोग बैठे हैं वो कहते हैं कि नवाब अकबर बुगटी की ये बरसी थी 26 अगस्त और बरसी मनाने के और भी तरीके हो सकते थे लेकिन उन्होंने इंतखाब किया.
In one of the worst attacks in the Musa Khel district close to the Punjab province, Baloch fighters stopped multiple vehicles on the highway and checked identity cards of all passengers. The Baluchis and Pashtuns were let off, but all Pakistani Punjabi Muslims travelling on this road were singled out and shot dead. The death toll stood at 23 in a single attack, according to reports from Pakistan.
जिस स्केल पर ये हुआ है मुझे तो लग रहा है कि बड़ी वाज़े तौर पर कि 50 साल के बाद बलूचिस्तान में अब एक फुल फ्लेज्ड इंसर्जेंसी का आगाज हो गया है कि ये हालात खराब से बदतर से हो रहे हैं और आप इसको रोकने की कोई कोशिश नहीं कर रहे.
The Baloch Liberation Army issued a statement claiming responsibility for the simultaneous and coordinated multiple attacks on Pakistani security forces across Balochistan province, including in Kalat, Naushiki, Turbat and Shivani, where Pakistan Army and paramilitary forces camps, bases and military checkpoints were attacked by the Majid Brigade suicide bombers. The PLA confirmed women suicide bombers were also a part of these operations.
The motive of our attack was very clear. It was a simple and clear message to China and Pakistan to withdraw immediately from Balochistan. This warning to China and Pakistan was also given by our leader, General Aslam Baloch, but China failed to pay heed.
The Baloch Liberation Army issued a statement telling Pakistan Army and China to withdraw from the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor and stop exploitation of Baloch resources. For Pakistan, these coordinated attacks from the Baloch freedom fighters could not have come at a worse time, with the Chinese army chief currently on an official visit to Pakistan, demanding better security for Chinese engineers and nationals working on the CPEC projects. China may be compelled to deploy Chinese military contractors for the security of the project.
नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का इशू जो क्रूशल है बलूचिस्तान के लिए, उसमें जो फर्स्ट राइट है, जो पहला हक है, वो बलूचिस्तान के अवाम का है. और जहां से जैसे सुई से गैस पैदा हो रही है तो सुई गैस सुई के अवाम, डेरा बुगटी के अवाम और बलूचिस्तान के अवाम को उनको ये राइट देना चाहिए.
ऐसे वाकयात जो हैं वो काबिल बर्दाश्त बिल्कुल नहीं है और हम लोग मिलकर इंशाल्लाह ताला इन तमाम चीज़ों का सदेबाब करेंगे. और जो लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये इन वाक़यात से हमें डरा सकते हैं या अपना कोई मैसेज दे सकते हैं, उनको बहुत जल्द एक अच्छा मैसेज मिल जाएगा.
Baloch Liberation Army's Operation Herof or Black Storm has shaken Pakistan's security forces, with Baloch fighters having blown up a part of the rail line and bridge and dominating the highways. Sending in reinforcements is also easier said than done for the Pakistani army. Pakistan Army's atrocities in Balochistan are now becoming Pakistan's worst nightmare come true. Bureau Report, India Today.